killing ants in your home, what you're going to need: powdered sugar, just the regular stuff. Don't use sugar, use powdered sugar. Baking soda, just the regular stuff. Something to mix it in. A Ziploc bag, a bowl, a cheap bag from the store, whatever, doesn't matter. Mix a half cup of this, half cup of that. Mix it up real good. Take a tablespoon. Put about 1 tablespoon at each one of your high traffic areas for your ants. It'll take about 3 to 4 days to kill off the whole hive, so don't sweep this stuff up after 1 day. Give it a chance. Why it works? It works because the active ingredient in baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, which is a slow-acting poison for ants. Ants are cannibals. With that said, the ant eats the mixture, it starts to get poisoned, it goes back to the hive, it dies there, and since ants are cannibals, his buddies eat them, and they are then poisoned then too, including the ant. Okay, pro tip, if you want to take this a step further, pick up some borax at Walmart. You get 4 pounds for $3.50. Active ingredient is sodium tetraborate. Very good, slow-acting poison for ants. Also happens to be the active ingredient in ant traps, which are much more expensive, and you have to coax the ants into the traps. With this stuff, you can stick it anywhere. You can put a big old 10-pound pile of it somewhere, and it's going to cost you a minimal amount of money. What I recommend doing with it: take the borax, put it in a little bowl, sprinkle it along your carpets, leave it there, the ants will eat it, they'll die. Vacuum it up, and your carpet and your rugs smell fantastic. Boom! Who loves you, YouTube? Click the like button, post a comment, kill those ants.